So hello everyone, welcome to Try Right. This is Pack 365. So myself Sujit. So today we are going to learn the looping statement. Okay guys. So today in this session we are going to complete how the looping statement will going to work in our Python. Then different type of looping statement. Then how the control flow will going to work. Each and everything we are going to complete in this session. Okay guys. Till now, if you have any doubt, you can directly contact to TryRite. Okay, guys. So first, we need to understand what is looping statement. Then what is the requirement we are use this looping statement. So when we have to execute some set of instruction repeatedly means repeated tasks we are going to do at that time we need to use this looping statement. Okay. So when we have to execute some set of instruction repeatedly, then we will use looping statement. That it means if I want to run means I want to get the 1 to 10 number means it will be repeated that I am every time I just want to get a number only. So this is called our repeated task. At that time we are going to use this looping statement. So in Python we have two types of looping statement. Okay, two types of looping statement. Okay, so the first one will be for loop and the second one will be while loop. So these are the two different type that are available in Python. Then if you have two type, then what is the difference between two of them? Means if somebody asks that they both are going to use for this set of instruction, then what is the difference between guys? Means whenever you know how many time you need to print that particular thing, means there will be a requirement that I need to print 1 to 10, then I know that it will be going to execute 10 times. That time you can use your for loop. Means by the using of the while loop also you are doing to same task, but there will be some categorized to differentiate it. Though so we can say that for loop when you know how many time to iterate. Okay, means iterate means also how many time you need to run that particular thing. Then when you need to run your or use your while loop, when you don't know, so when you don't know how many time we will iterate. Okay, so this is the main difference between these two looping statements. So now we are going to start from this for loop. Okay, so for this session, we are only completing this for loop only. Okay, in the upcoming session, we are going to discuss the interview question as well as your something while loop also. Okay, then what is for loop, guys? For loop will be performing below operation means we are using this for loop only two types means whenever we have know how many time we need to initialize or how many traversing are there. Okay, so the next point will be for loop will perform below operation. Okay, then first one will be you need to initialize first. Without initialization, it will be not specify for that how many time. Then we need to traversing. How many time you need to traversing that. So this is how. Then we can use this for loop means now I'm just telling that I need to print this generate this number. If there will be a task that if I'm taking a string and I want to print each and every character means if I'm taking try right, okay, inside that I need to each and every element one t r each and every element. So there are different way to use this for loop. Okay, so the next point will be we can use for loop in three ways. Okay, what are the three ways? First one, we with the collection data means if you are creating a collection data type string, list, table, set, and dictionary, on that you can directly run that by the help of your get a variable name. Okay, then the second one will be with the range function. Just now I'm telling the range function I need to print from 1 to 10, 1 to 100. Okay, so every time it will going to print the integers only. Okay, then the last one will be with range function and collection data type. With range function and collection data type means by the help of our index position. Okay, we are going to see each and everything on this session. Okay, don't worry about. So how the for loop will going to work in our collection data type, we are going to see now. Okay, so first it will telling that every time we need to use this initialization means where you need to start and where you need to end, or how much you need to traverse that particular thing. Okay, so we can say that what is for loop? It is the process of accessing first value of given collection data to given variable. Okay, means this is called our initialization, means where we need to access the first value. You need to specify, means if I'm specifying that I want to 10 to 20, means I need to specify I don't want to print 1 to 20. Okay, this is called your initialization. Then what is called your traversing? It is the process of, so it is the process of moving. Okay, it is the process of moving from one element to next element. Okay, so this is the definition of our initialization and traversing. Okay, so I need to copy and paste so that for your better understanding purpose you can take this theoretic part also. Okay, so this is the way you can use that. Then every time you need to make sure that if the given collection is a empty for the for loop, it will be not getting executing. Means if you are creating that looping statement and this in the collection data type there will be no data or no element will be there, then it will be not executing that particular things. So now we are going to see the syntax for this for loop. So guys, we know that the indentation means every time if you are going to declare a block or a for loop or any loop, you need to initialize this first one will be called our indentation. Means the syntax for this will be first you need to use your for keyword. Based on this, you need to decide that particular thing. So for keyword, then you need to here, it will be calling as our variable name. Means you can give anything, I, J, K, means anything. Your name also you can assign as a variable, but make sure that it will be support our identifiers rules. Then this is called our in. Okay, in also a keyword. Okay, then the next one will be collection data type. Means as of now we are only discussing about the collection, means in the upcoming session we are using the range also. Okay, so this is our syntax for this for loop. Okay, now we are going to do a coding, then only you can get a clear picture on that how it going to work. So guys, I'm just creating a string because my requirement will be I need to print each and every character that are available in our try write. Okay, so I need to take my try write. Now my requirement will be I need to print. So first I need to give my for keyword. Then I need to give a variable name. So here I am printing each and every character. That's why I am giving ch my variable name. Then I just need to use my in keyword. After I use in keyword, then I need to give the collection data type. So in this coding, my collection data type will be S. Now if I'm giving this S, after that you need to give the indentation. Now my requirement will be I need to print every time. I just need to printing that particular thing. So here I just want to print every time the character. Now how the controller will going to work, what is the control flow, where the memory will going to create, how each and everything will be coming, we are going to see now. So guys, whenever your Python will be executing this line, first it will be come to my first line, because Python is a interpreted programming language. So it will be executing line by line. So first it will be take first line. So it will be create a memory location at the name of S. Okay, now your controller come to this line. So here it will be seeing for loop using my collection data type. So it directly come to my memory location and it will be taking each and every character, because I need to generate that particular each and every character. So it will be first printing T, again it's come to here, again it's printing R, means every time it will be come and here and check. After it completing, it will be going to stop. By default, it will be stopped. That's why after it print T, it will be stopping. So this is the control flow. We can say that to execute a for loop. So I want to give a one extra point using this for loop, guys. Okay. So here I need to give, we can, the starting point of this starting point of for loop and the execution, sorry, or the execution, means the starting or the execution point will be same. Execution point and the ending point will be same. Because why I'm getting like that? Because if you see, my controller start executing from here and it will be stop here only, because it will be checking how many elements are there. So that's why we are using this. So in will be a membership operator. It will be working on our membership. If the character will be not available, it will be give me false. Just like that, it will be iterating each and everything. So the next point will be membership operator in is used in this. Okay, so this is how we are going to iterate. So now we are going to see in each and every. So first we are already know that this is the way we can find the on place of our string. Now guys, if my requirement will be I want to run my for loop in my list. So how it going to work? So first I need to create a list. So I'll create different type of data type. Okay, so I need to take different type of data. So I just take a list also inside that. Okay, so now my requirement will be I need to print each and every character. So first I need to give my for keyword, then I need to give a variable name. Here also I need to print each and every element. Here it will be printing character and here I will be printing my element. That's why I'm giving ELE. Okay, based upon you only, you need to give the variable name. Now after that, you need to pass the membership operator in or keyword. Then here you need to pass the collection data type. Now my requirement will be I need to print each and every element. Now if I'm going to run this one, so it will be telling me that each and every element. So for false, true. Okay, this is the way you can do like that. Now guys, if I want to know the length of that particular thing, means how many elements are there. So the question will be find how many elements that are available inside this list. So to do this coding, you are just adding 1 point, means you are just specifying a count variable and you need to assign a 0, because if you are not assigning at 0, then it will be telling that already one element will be there, but we need to count from the 0. That's why I need to start counting from 0. Here, I don't want to print each and every element. I want to adding, if there will be an element I need to add. Otherwise, I need to skip that particular thing, guys, right? So here I need to update every time. If this condition will becoming true, every time it will be executing. If you're not executing, then it will be outside the for loop. That's why here I just want to counting that particular thing after every iteration completed, means once this each and every item will be counting, then it will be come outside to my for loop. Now my requirement will be how many elements are there. So I am storing in my count variable. So now I just want to print this count. So based on that, it will be telling me that how many elements are there. Now if you see, it will be giving me the a number. So 5 elements that are available in this list. Okay, so this is the way you can printing each and every element. So the next collection data type will be tuple. Okay, how to access each and everything in that tuple. Okay, so first I need to create a tuple. So here I'll creating some tuple with some variable. Okay, I'm typing priority. Okay, now here how it going to work, it will also same, guys. Okay, now you need to give a for keyword, then you need to pass a variable name, then you need to use your membership operator. After you need to give your collection data type name. At that time, you need to print each and every element. So here I need to print my element. Now, if I'm going to run this one, so it will be give me the output, means whatever the element that are available in my table. The next collection data type will be set. So first I need to create a set. So 40 minus 22. Then again, I just want to create a data. So here, now I need to priority. Okay. Now I just want to print each and every element. So for then you need to use your membership operator, then the collection data type. Now you need to print your each and every element. So now I'm just running this code. It will give me the output. I just see, means the starting and the ending execution of this for loop will be same. So now the next or last collection data type will be dictionary. Okay, so how the dictionary will going to work, we are going to see now. So guys, make sure that whenever you are going to run a for loop on dictionary, every time it will be not printing each and every item or value. You need to specify, means you are directly passing the collection data type. But here if you are passing the collection data type, it will be not printing because it will be form of our key value pair. Okay, if you are printing also what is the output also we are going to see now. So I am just creating two variable. Okay, now I just want to run a for loop. Okay, so in D I just want to print that particular thing. Okay, simply. So what is the output, guys? Just see. Means as compared to the string and everything. But guys, if you see, it will be not giving each and everything. That's why we are see that particular method that are available in our built-in method of our dictionary. If you want to only key, then you can directly pass your keys. Okay, if you want to, my requirement will be I want to give the 10 and 20. So in that case, you need to give your built-in method that is called your values. Means by the help of this value, you need to find your value. Means at that time in the key, whatever the value will be presenting, it will be telling. So now if I'm going to run this one, it will only give me the value. Okay, now I want that key and value. So at that time, one method will be that will be called our items. Means by the help of this item, we are finding the key value pair that are available in our dictionary. Okay, so this is the way we can find our each and every character that are available in our collection data type. Okay guys, so that's all for this session. In the upcoming session, we are going to do the for loop on our range function. Okay, so thanks for watching. Try right.